What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best Android TV boxes that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen is a feature-rich 4K Ultra HD streaming media player designed to elevate your entertainment experience. Packed with advanced technologies, this Google TV box ensures a seamless and immersive viewing journey. The device is equipped with a quad-core Cortex-A55 CPU and an ARM Mali G31 MP2 GPU, providing efficient performance for smooth operation. With 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage, it not only ensures swift navigation through apps, but also offers ample space for content storage. Delivering stunning visuals, the TV box supports up to 4K 60 frames per second video decoding, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+, ensuring a crisper image in various lighting conditions. The Dolby Atmos and DTS HD technologies enhance the audio experience, creating a surround sound effect for an immersive cinematic feel. Wireless connectivity is a key feature, with dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.2 support, enabling seamless connections to a variety of devices. The inclusion of a 360 degrees Bluetooth and IR remote control enhances user convenience, allowing easy access to content from any angle. Running on the Google TV operating system, this device brings together content from various apps and subscriptions, providing personalized recommendations based on user preferences. The integration of Google Assistant facilitates voice control, allowing users to find movies, stream apps, play music, and control the TV effortlessly. Furthermore, the Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen features a Chromecast built-in for wireless projection, offering a wider viewing angle and easy sharing of content from smart devices. The device also boasts a range of ports, including HDMI 2.1, USB 2.0, and an audio output, providing options for easy expansion. In summary, the Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen is a versatile and powerful streaming media player that combines top-notch image and audio quality with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a premium entertainment solution. The H96 Max 4K Ultra HD is a cutting-edge streaming media player that combines powerful hardware with versatile features, ensuring an immersive and seamless entertainment experience. Powered by the Rockchip RK3318 quad-core processor and running on Android 11 OS, this device offers a smooth and responsive performance. With memory options ranging from 2 GB to 4 GB DDR3 RAM and storage capacities of 16 GB to 64 GB, users can enjoy ample space for apps, games, and media content. The TV box supports 2.4G and 5G dual Wi-Fi for fast and reliable wireless connectivity, along with an Ethernet port for stable networking. The device excels in delivering stunning visuals with its 4K Ultra HD resolution and HDR full format support, enhancing brightness and color contrast. The advanced features include DLNA, Miracast, and AirPlay functionalities, expanding the possibilities for gaming and multimedia streaming on a larger screen. Versatility is further emphasized by the variety of ports available, such as HDMI 2.0A, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, TF card slot, RJ45 Ethernet port, AV port, and DC 5V power input. These ports enable users to connect external devices, expand storage, and establish wired internet connections. The H96 Max TV box comes with a user-friendly Android 11 interface, offering access to a plethora of applications, games, and entertainment services. The voice-controlled remote adds a convenient hands-free element to the user experience, facilitating easy navigation and content search. Whether streaming videos from YouTube to Netflix, playing games with a keyboard and mouse, or utilizing the TF card slot for additional storage, the H96 Max 4K Ultra HD provides a versatile and enjoyable entertainment solution. With its sleek design, excellent ventilation, and compatibility with various home decor styles, this TV box seamlessly integrates into modern entertainment setups. The Nvidia Shield TV Pro stands as a flagship Android streaming media player, offering an unparalleled entertainment experience through its cutting-edge features. This powerhouse device supports 4K HDR movies and live sports, and boasts Dolby Vision and Atmos technologies, delivering stunning visuals and immersive audio. Equipped with the Nvidia Tegra X1 Plus processor and 3GB of RAM, the Shield TV Pro ensures high-performance capabilities for both media streaming and gaming. Its AI-enhanced upscaling feature takes HD content and transforms it into crystal-clear 4K resolution in real time. The device runs on the Android TV operating system, providing access to a vast array of apps and services. Connectivity options abound with Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet, ensuring seamless wireless or wired connections. The inclusion of HDMI 2.0b, USB 3.0 ports, and Gigabit Ethernet provides flexibility for expansion and connectivity with external devices. Voice control is at the forefront of the user experience, with both Google Assistant and Alexa integration. The device comes with a sophisticated remote control featuring voice search, motion activation, backlit buttons, and an IR blaster for TV control. Additionally, Chromecast 4K is built in, enabling users to cast content from their mobile devices to the TV effortlessly. The Shield TV Pro extends beyond standard streaming with GeForce Now Cloud Gaming, transforming it into a powerful gaming rig with over 1,000 titles available. It supports Dolby Vision and Atmos for an exceptional audio-visual experience and boasts a premium design, making it a centerpiece for any entertainment setup. In summary, the Nvidia Shield TV Pro sets the standard for streaming media players, combining top-notch hardware, advanced features, and a sleek design to provide users with a premium and versatile entertainment hub. The Kinhank G1 is a sought-after device that enhances the television viewing experience with its impressive features. Running on the Android 11 IPTV system, this TV box holds dual certification from Netflix and Google. It is powered by the Amlogic S905X4G, quad-core Cortex-A55 CPU, boasting 4GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage for efficient multitasking and ample storage. Connectivity is a strong suit of the Kinhank G1, offering 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI 2.1, USB 2.0 ports, an SD card slot, AV output, RJ45 LAN, and an optical port. The device supports a 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, delivering a superior visual experience with 4K HDR10+ and AV1 decoding technology. With certification from Google TV and Netflix, users can seamlessly access popular streaming services, further facilitated by the G10 Bluetooth voice remote control. The remote features dedicated buttons for services like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Google Play. Additionally, the Kinhank G1 supports Dolby Vision HDR streaming and Dolby Atmos for immersive audio. The TV box operates on the Android TV 11 OS, ensuring compatibility with various streaming platforms and offering features like Chromecast built-in and Google Assistant. Overall, the Kinhank G1 Android TV box stands out for its robust specifications, advanced audio-visual capabilities, and user-friendly interface, making it a top choice for those seeking an elevated home entertainment experience. The MXQ Pro stands out as a state-of-the-art home entertainment system, offering a host of advanced features and an upgraded user experience. Powered by the latest Android 13.1 OS, this TV box delivers enhanced performance with its quad-core processor and substantial 2GB RAM, preventing crashes caused by insufficient memory. The generous 16GB of internal storage allows for efficient storage of large-capacity files and videos, optimized for reduced energy consumption. One of its standout features is the dual-band Wi-Fi support, operating at 2.4 and 5.8 GHz, ensuring a stable, fast, and high-quality internet connection for browsing, gaming, and media streaming. The device's quad-core processor and Android 13.1 OS contribute to a seamless operation, offering faster loading times, rapid boot-up, powerful decoding, and overall stable performance. The TV box supports 4K and 3D video playback, providing an immersive experience with ultra-fast running speed and professional image processing ability. Moreover, the MXQ Pro comes with unique additions, such as Mirrorcast for easy video sharing to the TV and a smart breathing light function for added visual appeal. The inclusion of 4 USB ports, HDMI, SPDIF, RJ45, and an SD card slot offers extensive connectivity options. This upgraded Android TV box is not only versatile in supporting popular streaming services like Disney+, Hulu, Prime, and YouTube, but it can also function as the primary media or music player at events. The device is 4K 10-bit at 60 frames per second H.265 frame powerful decoding capability, along with AirPlay support, further solidifies its position as a top-tier multimedia player. With a quad-core CPU, dual-band Wi-Fi, and a 3D graphics processing unit, the MXQ Pro provides a theater-like experience at home, making it a compelling choice for those seeking an immersive and high-performance entertainment solution.